Houston, say again, please.
Yes, Houston, we've had a problem.
These 5 words signaled the beginning of one of the most harrowing and heroic stories in space exploration history. April 11, 1970, marked the launch of Apollo 13, the third mission aiming to land men on the moon. Commanded by Jim Lovell, with Fred Haise and Jack Swigert, this mission was expected to be routine, another leap forward in space exploration. The crew was ready, NASA was prepared, and the world watched with anticipation. 2 days into the mission, as Apollo 13 drifted through space, a routine procedure led to catastrophe. An oxygen tank in the service module exploded, sending the spacecraft into disarray. Alarms blared, and the crew's vital systems began to fail. The moon landing was out of the question. Survival became the sole focus. The explosion crippled the spacecraft, cutting off the main supply of power, water, and oxygen. NASA's mission control team worked around the clock to come up with solutions, using only what was on board. The lunar module, designed for 2 astronauts for a short stay on the moon, now had to support 3 men for 4 days. The astronauts dealt with freezing temperatures, dwindling power, and rising carbon dioxide levels. Every decision had to be perfect. With no power to spare, the crew used the moon's gravity to slingshot the spacecraft back toward Earth. As Apollo 13 looped around the moon, humanity caught its last glimpse of the far side. Despite the dire circumstances, the crew executed a crucial course correction. They had one shot at reentry, and it had to be perfect. Reentry was the most dangerous part of the mission. The heat shield, which had been subjected to severe conditions, had to withstand the intense heat of reentry. Any miscalculation would mean instant disaster. As the spacecraft hit the Earth's atmosphere, communication was lost for several agonizing minutes. Then, a signal: Apollo 13 had survived. The crew splashed down in the Pacific Ocean, greeted as heroes. Apollo 13's safe return was not just a triumph for NASA. It was a testament to human ingenuity, teamwork, and perseverance. What could have been a disastrous failure turned into one of the greatest rescues in space history. The lessons learned from Apollo 13 have informed every mission since, proving that in the face of adversity, humans are capable of incredible feats. What are your thoughts on the Apollo 13 mission? Was it a failure or one of NASA's greatest successes? Share your thoughts in the comments and check out our other videos on space exploration.